Izstāde ir par mēģināšanu saprast, kā situēties pasaulē. Īstenībā šis nosaukums ir tieši atslēga tam, kas ir izstādē.
So this project starts with the questions, what legacies our bodies carry in relation to place, and especially to the places that we never lived in, inspired by the different writings on how our bodies store the memory, and Astrid Nemanis' concept of hydrofeminism.
Astrid Nemanis writes about this concept of hydrofeminism, so an extension of feminism that takes into account our aquatic origins. And again, it comes back to this idea of water being a way to bring together kind of communities and people and bodies.
Meiteņu darbi ir par pašu trauku un tā saturu caur senču atmiņām, kas glabājas ūdenī. Un mana darba daļa ir vairāk par šiem virskārtu veidiem, tā kā bruņu sets, kas mūs norobežo no šīs pasaules, kas veidojas laika gaitā, sastopoties ar dažādām pieredzēm. Un ir ļoti daudzas pieredzes, kas mūs bagātina, kas mūs tieši padara cilvēciskus.
So we decided to create some sort of a map. We traveled around the Baltics to the places where connected to our family and ancestry. And we immersed ourselves in these waters and take a photo shoot using 35mm analog film. Also collected water samples from the same sources and locations. And we soup this film in the water, so we allow the water collaborate on our film. So the water affects the emulsion of the film, creating these stains and color changes and distort emulsion in a way.
Šis kodiens lagūnā ir gan vardarbīga darbība, kad es gribu piesavināties, es gribu kaut ko sevī no tā. Un otrs, tad arī šis nosaukums iekodē šīs galvenās divas materialitātes, kas ir ādveidīgas struktūras, plus arī stikls.
Me personally, I think I see the connection between body and water. So body and liquid, body and fluid, and this idea of kind of biting beneath the surface of something to understand it, to interrogate it, and just to spend some time thinking about it, really.